Let's see how to change website title in Hostinger website. So first of all, we need to log into our Hostinger Edge panel. Now from the left menu, click on websites. And now we will edit our Hostinger website for which we want to change the title. So click on edit website from here. Here on the top you will see your website title or logo. Just click on it and from here you can change it. Now if you want to change the SEO title, just click on this 3 dots button, select SEO settings. Now scroll down and here you will see your SEO title. You can easily change it from here. Now if you want to change your Hostinger website builder domain, just click on connect domain from the top and then click on change domain. Now add your new domain here, click on next, and in this way new domain will be added to your Hostinger website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.